anak. Careful, ha? My phone. Look at our outside, guys. Look at our outside. Here. Voila. All over our place is all white because of the snow. Look at that. Oh, this is the ice. Ew. Look at that. Until now, guys, it's not snow. I know it's not rain na. My goodness. Oh, tingnan yung daan papunta doon sa baba. My goodness. Very ano na. Pwede na ako maghalo-halo, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo naman yung mga car. Careful, guys. Oh, nadulas yung mga ano. Oh. Camille, you want to see the snow? There's a lot of snow. Come here. Yeah. Look at that. Look. Wow. There's a lot of snow. Look at the window. Wow. My goodness. There's a lot of snow, anak. Oh my goodness. Do you want to play the snow? Later we will go outside, huh? We will go outside and you can experience the snow for the first time. Okay? Before we go outside, anak, we need to wear some jacket. Oh, wow. Yuki-chan. Yuki-chan. Do you like to try playing at the snow? Huh? Huh? You like to try playing snow, nak? Later, huh? We will go outside, huh? Okay? Wow! You're ready? Are you ready? We're going outside now. But before that, I need to... Where's your... Get this one. So, let's not forget the fold. Come here, Mama. let's wear shoes. Ito pala yung shoes na kung ano, okay lang pala sa kanya. Kasya pala. Of course, my shoes. Where is that? So this is my shoes. So perfect. Ito yung shoes ko, guys. Ganyan siya. Ganda, no? So anyway, let's go. Let's go. Before we leave our house, we need to lock. That's the important. Yan, lock na siya. Wow, it's raining, manak. Oh my God. Grabe. Hala. Nag-rain man. What we gonna do, anak? Hala, nag-rain man, anak. Uy. Hala guys, nag-rain. Ang malas naman, nak. Minsan na nga lang tayo lumabas. Umulan pa. Diyos ko, naka-outfit pa naman tayo. So we have no choice is to wait to stop the rain. Ano, nak? Ay, naku. Kung wala pang ulan, guys, dyan kami pupunta. Maglakad-lakad kasi may ulan. Balik na lang siguro kami mamaya. Hindi talaga pwede. May rain. May ulan. Balik tayo. Balik na lang tayo na. Hindi pwede to. May ulan, may ulan, may ulan pala. Yeah, may ulan. Maybe later. Balik na lang kami mamaya. Alam mo yung na-scam na naman tayo, guys. Minsan na nga lang kami lumabas. Balik na lang kami. Di ba, nak? Ay, naku. Alam nyo, guys, natatawa ako kanina. Promise. Ginoo ko. Yung excited ka, nakabihis ka na, yung prepare ka. Yung kita nyo talaga, yung kanina talaga, as in, excited. Alam nyo na, gano'n. Dahil paglabas namin, umulan pala. Hindi po kasi namin marinig yung ulan dito sa loob. Kaya parang yung nasa isip ko, akala ko walang ulan. Ay God, paglabas namin, may ulan pala. So, madami pa naman akong plano. Maglakad-lakad kami dyan sa labas sana. paano? Alangan naman sakripisyo kung yung anak ko para lang para lang maano yung snow. Ay, wag na. Marami pang ano. Kaya ayun, bumalik na lang kami. At ito, nakatulog na rin si Yuki. Ako din, nakaidlip din ako. Gusto ko sana bumalik para huminto ng ulan. Pero kaso, 4 na. Malamig na. Masyadong malamig na sa labas. So, wag na lang. Baka magkasipon pa kami. So, ayun. Yung excited ka, pero yung pala, wala. Hindi. Wala na tuloy. Walang nagawang lakad-lakad sa labas. So, anyway, marami pa namang pagkakataon. So, kaysa naman magpaulan kami, lalo baka magkasakit pa kami. So, mabuti na rin yung paniguradong wag na lang. Yun, natulog na lang kami. Yan, yung anak ko dito. Kita nyo naman. So, it's already basta 4 p.m. guys. Ayan, maghahanda na ako ng hapunan. So, si Hapon, yung asawa ko is nag-request na noodles daw siya. Yung yaki udon. So, tara magluto tayo ng yaki udon.